This is Developing a Learning Module on a Product's Lifecycle by Crystalline Exner. The topics that are covered include what raw materials create products, how raw materials are manufactured into products, how products are distributed, how products are used, how products are disposed of, and what products can be recycled or reused. The purpose is to enhance learning outcomes for elementary and middle school students and teach them about a product's life cycle and recycling. The learning objectives are to identify where products come from and how they're manufactured and distributed, and to identify how products are used and disposed of. There are multiple learning objects, including discussions, 3 videos, 2 games, and 1 infographic. Once all of the learning objects in each section are completed, a final assessment will determine if the learner has retained the information. There is also a discussion board where the learners can share information and provide each other with suggestions and feedback. The learning management system I'm using is Schoology. I wanted to use Schoology because it makes it easy to create engaging learning experiences. It has a great design, and it's really easy to navigate. Schoology also has an area where you can upload additional resources for the learners. Another great feature is that you can award badges to promote positive behavior and encourage the learners. The first part of my learning module on a product's life cycle starts with the materials and products. First, there's a discussion, followed by a video on how raw materials are extracted. Next, there's a game on manufacturing raw materials, followed by another video on how raw materials are produced, and finally, the assessment. The next section covers usage and disposal of the products. That starts with a discussion as well, followed by a video on the usage of products and which ones can be recycled, followed by a drag and drop game, dispose or recycle products. Next, there's an infographic that shows you a product's journey from raw materials all the way to recycling. Finally, there's an assessment to make sure that the learners have retained all the information covered.